Hello, my name is Oleksandr. In this video we will consider 4 backgrounds with 3D style for promo and commerce. To create trendy design and promotional items. For social networks. Link to download the project with elements. In the description under the video. Download and create interesting content for social media. According to various settings of effects we can use as effects. Also important is the effective location between them. Let's change the blurring of the effect. Its effect will change.